I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Pixel model and ensuring the battery is above 10% so the phone won't die mid-process. Once ready, press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds to force a restart. This clears transient glitches that often trigger safe mode. Make sure to watch the screen for the Pixel logo. If the phone restarts normally, check whether safe mode is gone. If not, move straight to the next precise steps to remove the mode. Once done with the forced restart, reboot again using the power menu and observe the bottom left corner for the safe mode label. That confirms the mode persists. If it does, you should uninstall any third-party apps installed or updated right before the issue, because they often cause conflicts. Make sure to use settings apps to disable suspect apps one at a time, then reboot to test. This isolates the offending app and explains why the system dropped into safe mode. To finish, try Reset App Preferences from Setting System Reset Options. This restores defaults without deleting personal files and often clears safe mode. If that fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it removes deeper software corruption. Make sure to boot into recovery mode and wipe the cache partition if available. This can resolve leftover issues. If problems persist after these steps, seek professional service, since hardware faults can mimic safe mode behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.